All right, the gloves are coming on, the aprons are on. We're getting ready to create with Quimby. This week we are learning how to turn a simple block of wood into a show-stopping centerpiece, an elegant candle holder.
Joining us in studio, as you would expect, our DIY expert, Shannon Quimby, once again back. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I know.
Always great to see you.
I'm excited. It's been a while since I've gotten the DIY gloves
we
on.
gotta get the DIY gloves on.
Yeah. So this is a great project because it's something that we can celebrate summer's end, but then take it into the fall season.
Perfect.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and it's really easy as always.
Okay, great.
So it's literally
timely
just
one.
2 blocks of wood, okay? So you want to start with a 1x5 and measure it and cut 11 inches long, and then a 2x4, 10 inches, because notice it's stacking. We're making a candelabra centerpiece.
Gotcha.
And the great thing about this project is you can make it bigger, you can make it longer, taller, however you want. Okay?
Right.
I like this size because you can move it from room to room, space to space.
This is nice.
Yeah, pretty
It's
versatile
big enough
size.
to be on a longer table, but also small enough to it could go on a countertop, on your coffee table, what have you.
Absolutely.
Yep. So then what you want to do is you want to measure and mark 2 inches.
Okay.
This actually has 9 candles on it. You can do 5, you can do 7. I like to stagger it, so, diagonally, so you can see the candles. And I use 9, it gives more of a dramatic feel.
It gives it a little bit of depth when you stagger it that way, too.
Yep. So measure and mark, and then you want to take, this is a 3/4 inch drill bit.
Okay.
And you're just going to then drill the holes into that. Okay. Simple. And I'm going to get you guys started on the last process.
Okay.
Which is fun. So I'd basically grab your paintbrush.
Painting.
And I just want
Alright.
you to start painting.
Okay, there's no rules, just go for it.
Go for it. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and we should mention, did you glue these together? Is this wood glue?
Yes.
Okay.
Wood glue?
So after I get all the drilling with the holes, and you probably want to go, you guys, maybe, a ½ inch deep inside this, because you don't want to go, this is 1 inch wide, you don't want to go all the way through, okay? And then
You've seen it, you think about like what a candle holder looks like.
Yeah,
in the
just
store.
you can kind of eyeball it a little bit.
yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And then once you get done drilling, you want to take a piece of sandpaper. This is a 150 grit, and because it's kind of the edges in the circles that you drill, they're kind of rough.
Gotcha.
So so you just want to get this and sand the edges
Before you put the candles in there to smooth it
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
And
Before
you
you
can see
paint.
we're painting
Yeah.
it.
Oh,
sanding
that
it
makes
down
sense
so
too.
that, it's not catching on anything.
Exactly,
And,
Emily. Yeah, and then once then you wipe off the dust and so forth, because that's really, it is important, because if you don't, and when you paint, you'll get literally paint dust bunnies.
Oh.
It'll start to get
Really?
globby.
Little
Yeah,
globs.
it'll get globby on that. And then, Emily,
we
what
don't like globs.
Yeah, well, to avoid them if you can.
Yeah.
Right.
And then you mentioned earlier, yes, and then the step before you paint is you just put some glue on here, and you stack it, and you let it dry.
And how long do you typically have to wait to let that dry?
It depends how heavy your glue is. Like, I just put a lot of glue on that. I usually let it do about 4 hours or so, but you just want to center
a little bit of time.
Yeah, like that. And then when it's done, then you paint it.
And then you do exactly what we're doing. See, Emily and I are doing the
the
funnest
fun
part.
part.
You
Yeah,
are.
yeah.
You are. Yeah, and I want to show you a little trick here. Have you ever put a candle in a candlestick and it falls off?
Yes.
It tips, okay?
Especially with these nice long
the tapered.
candlesticks. Yeah.
So a nice trick that you want to do, and also when you have these, if you put a whole bunch, they're all crooked and cattywampus.
Sure, yeah.
So you just want to take a Bic lighter and you want to heat the bottom of it, okay, and drip it in, and then you put it in the hole. And that's what secures
So
it.
it kind of it molds to the hole. I see.
Yeah, see how sturdy
smart.
that is?
Yeah.
Because if not, they're just like,
Yeah.
you know.
And you're not necessarily trying to level out like the hole perfectly. You're doing it the other way around.
Yeah. So that's okay if some of the holes aren't as deep as others.
Gotcha.
Because then you can, determine that with the candle.
That's why you're the expert. I would have spent my whole time trying to be like, why won't the
Trying to get 'em straight
dang
in there.
candle? Yep.
Yeah. Well, and so this is the other thing that I love so much about, doing this DIY. You could paint whatever color you wanted. You could use whatever color candlestick you want. It's totally customized to your decor.
Beat to your own drum.
Yes,
that.
and you're absolutely right. You can take this one piece and you can paint it this color, and then you can even paint over it for another season, for another color.
That's true. Yeah, you can just keep it going.
So you're absolutely right. It can go with your decor, your design. It's a great gift. to give to others.
Totally.
You know, we're starting to go in
love
gift
this.
giving season.
So Shannon, before we run out of time, you've got some fun workshops coming up this week if people want to try this out.
Yeah, and this, if you check out these cute little pumpkins, this is kind of a sneak preview. I'm going to show these next month.
Oh, okay.
But we're kicking off a DIY series with Parr Lumber.
Okay.
And we're making these cute little pumpkins, and I did this rope shelf with you guys.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
that's
that's right. I forgot
Huge
about
hit.
this.
Yes. Yeah,
fun.
and so we're kicking off this Thursday at the MLK location, Parr Lumber.
Okay.
You guys, the whole thing is free.
Oh, that's great.
The materials are free. The class is free. All you got to do is sign up on Parr Lumber's Facebook page.
That's
I love
awesome.
that.
And just get involved. And these are the little pumpkins that Shannon was just referring to. I don't know
Yes.
if we can get a closer shot of those as well.
Those are so cute.
But yeah, that's great. That's awesome. And it's hard to beat free 99. That's our favorite
Right?
price. That's
Yeah,
our favorite price.
So we'll be making those next time we see you on the show, but if you want to make them yourself,
yes,
for free.
absolutely.
Yeah,
Parr
a
Lumber
whole
this
bunch of them, you know, for your friends. These are great gifts that you can make. You guys, there's only a few spots left on Thursday.
Okay.
So, you know, get on there, sign up.
Sign up while you can.
Fall activity.
Before the
I
time
love
runs
it.
out.
I know.
Well
I
done,
know.
by the way,
There
Miss
we go.
Clarice.
I wanted to finish it. I was like,
I
okay,
didn't
we're
finish
almost
mine.
out of time.
I'll have to finish mine
Voila.
later. Yeah, well done. I'm normally falling behind on the arts and crafts.
Oh,
but that's
super cute. No, I love this idea.
Yeah.
Cute
Fun,
as always.
easy, yes. And of course,
Shannon,
we're
you
always
got it
giving
all
them away
covered.
afterwards.
Great.
Yep.
That's
Love it.
always great.
I love
fun.
it. So if you want to make one for yourself, we're going to put all the instructions too on coin.com. You can go check that out. Shannon, thanks so much for joining us.
You are welcome.
Yeah, always great to see you.
Don't forget, you can go follow Shannon Quimby on Facebook for more DIY ideas. She'll be sharing the stuff too for Parr Lumber. Be sure to sign up on their Facebook page for this awesome event this week.
Before those slots run out, get in there now. All right, 8:12 right now. Coming up on 8:13, you're watching Coin News AMX. And coming up, SNL loses another cast member. I feel like they're dropping like flies.
I know. We'll tell you who's left the show.